editing your order's billing and shipping information from Google Sheets is now simpler than ever with FlexOrder. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type FlexOrder. Once you find it, just install and activate the plugin. After activation, go to FlexOrder Settings. Inside the settings, look for the option that says Show Shipping and Billing Information in separate columns. Make sure to enable this, and also enable the option to allow editing. This step is important as it unlocks the ability to edit your shipping and billing details directly from Google Sheets. Next, scroll down to choose which address fields you want visible in your Google Sheet. If you're a pro user, you'll have access to all the address fields, giving you full flexibility to work with every part of your customer's address. Once your settings are saved, go to your Google Sheet through the FlexOrder dashboard. You'll now see that the shipping and billing address columns are no longer grayed out. They're fully editable. From here, simply update any address information directly in the sheet, and those changes will automatically reflect in your WordPress dashboard in real time. And that's it. You're ready to manage your order addresses right from Google Sheets without any hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.